Lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. This is a skincare and beauty channel for all women. And if you're somebody who is interested in skincare tips, skincare products, please stay tuned. I've started my skincare journey a few years ago and I'm really happy with the results. And my website, which is sassyover55.com, is a backup to my YouTube channel because there is so much information to share. In any case, today I'm going to be testing out this foundation and this concealer. You guys would have seen this in a previous video, and I told you I was going to be coming back to do a makeup look for you guys. Just a really simple makeup. The eyes is just like non-starter, just lashes and a little bit of eyeshadow. The foundation shade is Tan 8C and the concealer is Tan 9W, I think, but it's going to be down below for you guys. From R.E.M Beauty, this is a drugstore brand and I am so excited to try this. Let's see if it's going to work or not. This is a packaging right here for the foundation, and this is a concealer, and the concealer comes with a little wand just like so. And this is the product, and here we be. And I also picked up a brush from them as well. So my face is basically prepped already, so we're just going to see if the concealer really works. And I'm just going to open this up, and this is the product right here. And this is a fancy brush. I showed you guys this brush already. So we're just going to dip in a little bit, and of course I like to go in with very little on my face. And so we're just going to go under the eyes and see if this is going to help to cover up my little dark circles. Yeah, my skin is cleared up, but it's not perfect. Okay. And here we go. Let's just take a minute to blend this out. I'm just gonna go from the corner of my nose and just blend under my eyes. And yes, this is definitely my shade. Oh my goodness. You don't have to use this under your eyes only. I mean, if you have any other spots on your face that you want to cover, you can definitely use this. And perfect shade. And the brush is really nice. It's like an angled brush as well. And it blended everything so nicely. Under my eyes. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. You can definitely see the difference between this eye and this one. So we're just going to go in just a little bit and we're just going to conceal this side. It is a similar shade to the NC50 from MAC. It is very, very, very close. Again, just from the corner of my eyes and all the way to the bottom, and we're just going to blend up. This is a very light concealer. It's not heavy, it's not too thick. It goes on nice and light and even under the skin. And again, if you have any, let's say, pigmentations that you want to cover up, you can definitely do that anywhere on your face. And this basically blends nicely into my skin. I mean, look at that. I don't need any coverage on my forehead, but just in case I want to cover anything up. And the brush is just lovely. Blends even on my skin. I mean, look at that. Very nice. Because I tested this in store. And the minute I saw this, I thought, yes, this is my shade, because I know exactly what works on my skin and what doesn't. And let me just tell you the shade of this. Again, it's Tan 9W. So if you do have my skin tone, this shade is for you, and you need just a little bit. And again, this is from R.E.M Beauty. I am so impressed with this concealer. mature skin. I'm 60 years old and this looks absolutely perfect. My face is nice and even under my eyes feels so soft, and it doesn't even feel like it's going to cake up or anything like that. It feels really, really good. And now for the moment of truth. This is the foundation from R.E.M Beauty, and my shade is 108C. It's going to be in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to be using this brush that I showed you from Core Beauty. This is a foundation brush. And this foundation brush reminds me of this brush here from Sephora. I've had this foundation brush in my life for years. And this is the number 47 brush from Sephora. I mean, the brush feels the same. And again, this is from Shoppers Drug Mart and from Core Beauty. Now, let's put on the foundation. Maybe I have to shake it up a little bit. I don't know. But let's just give it a shake. And we are just gonna go in right now. So we are gonna put a little bit of this on the brush. And let me just see, let me get my hair out of the way quickly. Let me just blend this side out. Very nice. Very nice. This is definitely my shade. I mean, look at how easy this foundation blended out, and this brush is so soft on your skin. Love it. If you do live in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart, Core Beauty. Oh my God. This is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without. And I feel like this dries down pretty much quickly. Let's do the other side. And I'm not going to go in with too much. Okay. So we're just going to take a minute and we're going to blend this baby out. Oh, yes, ma'am. R.E.M Beauty, yes, I am impressed. Let's go in with just a little bit on the forehead. Not too much, because you guys know I don't like going in with too much foundation on my face. Let's just get the center of my nose. And this brush just goes into every nook and cranny of the face. No creasing, no clumping, no separation of this foundation. Yes, ma'am. I love it. I was very nervous at first to try this foundation. Again, I tested this in store at Shoppers Drug Mart, and yes, this is lovely. And I'm sure you can build this up, but I don't like to build up my foundation because I want my skin to breathe. And this is it. The foundation looks very, very, very nice. Almost like a natural makeup look. Love it. And so I'm just going to go in with some powder from Naji Cosmetics. And this is C10. A stippling brush. We're just going to powder. And of course, I am not going to get rid of this powder until it's panned. This is a lovely powder. Very, very nice shade for my skin. From Naji Cosmetics. It is a Canadian Black-owned business. Oh my God, I really love this foundation so much. OMG, it is wonderful. And the concealer under my eyes is not separating, it's not clunking up or anything like that. It looks nice and smooth under my eyes. I'm gonna be definitely investing in this brand because I love this foundation. Okay, let's do some things with the lips right now, and I'm going to keep it glossy. And this is from Max Factor, and it's called Chocolate Nectar. I showed you guys this lip gloss before. Love it. So we're going to put this on. Very, very, very soft. And we're just going to go in with a lip liner, Chestnut from MAC. I love this lip combo. Chestnut from MAC and Chocolate Nectar from Max Factor. Really nice. Love that. Very pretty. So I'm just going to put a little bit of a blush on my cheeks. And this is from Annabelle, and it's called Perfect Butter. This was a Christmas gift. And I'm just going to use beautiful soft pinky. And I like to keep my blushes just right here, guys. Do you see that? Just here. I don't want too much of this cheeky business. You know what I mean? And maybe just one sweep right here. I just like to keep it right here because I think it looks better on me. That is. Just keeping it nice and light. And again, this is from Annabelle, and it's called Perfect Butter. It's a beautiful soft pink. And so this is from Annabelle. This is the Perfect Fit Energizing Setting Mist. We're just going to spray a little, not too much, just set everything right now. A little fan, we're just gonna pull the hair down. This comb is from Core Beauty from Shoppers. Okay, my lovelies, so this is the finished look. The foundation and concealer from R.E.M Beauty, and this is Sassy, over 55 approved. Okay, you will find these on my website. Absolutely love these. If you do have my skin tone, this is for you. Lovely, beautiful, gorgeous foundation. Very nice and light on my skin. Love this concealer. I'm sold for life. Anywho, everything that I use on my face is going to be down in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoy this video today, testing out these products from R.E.M Beauty. And yes, you can definitely invest your money in this brand. It's a drugstore brand for mature skin as well, yes. And so we are going to leave it here for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and please come back next week for another video. Toodles.